In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio in a Glide app in just 5 minutes. Whether you're enhancing your app's functionality or making it more engaging, adding audio is a great way to enrich the user experience. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open a browser on your computer and head over to Glide's website by searching for Glide apps. You can do this on any search engine, and it should come up as one of the top results. Glide is a powerful tool for creating apps without the need for complex coding, and it's especially great if you're looking to incorporate multimedia elements like audio. Once you've found Glide's website, go ahead and open the link. You'll be taken to their homepage, where you can explore various features and options. But for today's tutorial, let's stick to the task at hand. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials. Keep your login information handy to save yourself some time. After logging in, you'll land on the dashboard, where you can either create a new app or select an existing one. If you're just testing this out or prefer to work with familiar territory, you might want to use an app you've already built. Now, to add the audio component, look for the Components menu, which you'll find on the left side of the interface. Click the plus icon next to Components, and you'll see a list of different elements you can add to your app. Here, you'll want to select Audio, which will integrate an audio player into your app interface. Next, we're going to make some adjustments. On the right sidebar, you'll notice a section labeled General. Click there, and a drop-down menu will appear. For our purposes, select Custom. This setting allows you to specify your own audio file by entering a URL. Speaking of the URL, it's crucial that this points to a publicly accessible file. Make sure your audio file is hosted online and is in a format like .mp3, WAV, or .dam4a, as these are commonly supported formats for audio playback. Without a publicly accessible URL, your audio file won't be able to load into the app and play correctly for your users. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've added an audio component to your Glide app, enhancing its functionality and user experience. This simple addition can make a big difference in how your app is received. Play around with different audio files to see what works best for your needs. Thanks for following along today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Until next time, happy app building.